Privacy advocates score a win after Binance buckles on coin listings. Those of us in Italy and surrounding countries will be allowed to continue trading Zcash, Monero and other coins that Binance sought to condemn as unworthy. Opinion. Join us on social networks. Privacy advocates scored a big win in June with Binance's announcement that it was backtracking on a decision to delist privacy coins for users in a number of European countries. As a result of the move, users in Italy, Poland, Spain and France will be permitted to continue trading tokens including Zcash, ZEC, Monero, XMR, Decred, DCR, Horizon Zen, Verge, XVG, Dash, DASH, Secret, SCRT, Firo, Navcoin, NAV, MobileCoin, MOB, Beam and PIV. Banning the coins would have been a big mistake. Privacy coins empower individuals against financial surveillance by offering enhanced transactional security, and crypto communities should be thankful that Binance is no longer planning to remove them from its listings. In the modern climate of excessive surveillance and overall lack of confidentiality for users everywhere, their significance cannot be overstated. Related, Binance was wrong to boot Monero, Zcash and other privacy coins. These coins' fungibility, which makes each individual unit interchangeable and censorship resistant, is an advantage they hold over almost every other cryptocurrency, and losing these additional layers of security and anonymity would have been an incredible loss for the community. Privacy coins have gained traction in recent years due to the surfacing of a series of harsh regulations. Binance's decision, in fact, comes on the heels of the follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.